So welcome back. Today we're going to look at how you can try to manage your onions so that you have a better yield, and then it can help you save some of your money. This particular onion you see is 6 weeks old. It was planted on 20th August, which is 1 month and about 2 weeks. So in total we have 6 weeks. So the basic principle of these onions, when you transplant them, the next thing you want to see or you want to do is to have them fed well. Okay, so you need to have, by the way, these are heavy feeders for both water and the fertilizers. So the routine is 2 weeks interval. You need to feed them with fertilizer, which is in a combination of nitrogen, phosphorus. So but today I will not focus on the types of fertilizers, but we're going to make an assumption that you know the fertilizer, but maybe I'll do another video where we can specifically talk about the kind of fertilizers you can use for onions. So when you transplant, just after your crop are set, you need to give it phosphorus, nitrogen and potassium. So you need phosphorus for the root establishment and the general strength of the stalk or the shoots. But you need the nitrogen for vegetative growth. You need potassium to have it resist some diseases as well, and also for the bulb formation and the maturing of the bulb as well. So let's get into it. Just use this as an example. The number of leaves you see will represent the number of rings on your onion once you harvest it. So you want to feed your onions so that you have got quality bulbs. In the earlier video I showed you some bulbs, and this one I wanted to follow a proper routine on how you can feed the onions and the right fertilizer which you can use and you can apply. So if you follow a 2 weeks routine of feeding, then at just about week 8 or week 9 your feeding stops. Okay, but then let me also mention that from the day one of transplanting your onions, you want to move it side by side, the fertilizers and the water. You need water, like seriously, you need a lot of water. So you need to water. You cannot afford your onions to be dry.